Hey, I'm going to be making People Chow number 2 today. And remember, People Chow is fruit, vegetable, green, grain, meat, and milk. And you throw in an egg to hold it all together. Another word for it is Savory Cookies. Okay, so for my fruit, I have apple, fruit, vegetable, bell pepper, green. I'm going to use some spinach souffle. My whole grain, some whole grain crackers. My meat is a piece of roast beef. And my milk is some Parmesan cheese. And of course the egg. So, fruit, vegetable, green, grain, meat, milk. Why should the puppy dogs have the best food with all these good ingredients? We should have them too. So this is why I invented People Chow. It's a beautiful morning. Sun is just coming up. There's dew on the car. I have my Inergy Kodiak Solar Generator here, and I'm going to get one of the, if I can see this here, I'm going to get one of the baby hooks off so that I can plug in my blender. Set up my little table here, got my blender on top, got it hooked into the solar generator, and I'm going to turn that on. I have three, I don't know if you can see it. I have 3 dots of green, which means the solar generator is pretty well charged. But he's supervising the operation this morning. So here again I have everything. Fruit, vegetable, green, whole grain, meat, milk, which is cheese, and an egg to hold it all together. So I'm going to put everything in the blender and see how it goes. All done. Ready to pour onto the plate and cook. If I look down in there, I still have 3 dots of green. So I have hardly used up any energy. It's in the microwave. They don't look good, but they smell good. All done, and they are delicious. So I hope this helps you to use up some of your leftovers or food you have hanging around your van or your RV or your house. Fruit, vegetable, green, grain, meat, and milk, and throw in an egg for holding it all together. And you make some yummy green cookies, savory cookies, healthy cookies, People Chow. There's how it looks with the tent pushed up. It's basically just a tent with a hard top. Really nice. Okay, we have popped the top on the e-camper, and I'm standing in the opening. There's Precious and Buddy. Hey guys, look up here. Hi guys. Okay, so here's the opening, and then we're at the lake. This is a screen right here. It's a screen. Or you also have the option to um, open it up all the way like I have on this side. Okay. And so there are two sets of zippers. You can see here. And then these black panels, there are two of them, fit right into this space where I'm standing. And these pillows hang up on top here. These pillows will fit right on top of these and makes a full bed back up here. Okay. So right now I have this, both seats, back seats in the Element are laid down flat. I have these cushions from a lounge chair, lawn chair. And let's see what else we have. Oh, I've got the doggy stroller. We took the doggies for a little stroll a while ago. And wow, I just took my first nap up here and it was great. Absolutely fabulous. So this is looking up into the pop top. There are those cushions again that fill in this hole. And there's a rod that you can put down to here, up and down right here, to hold the pop top up. To make sure it's just a safety feature. Doesn't really, you know, the top will stay up without it. But. And then there are two little reading lights there. There's one light at the end of that rod, and that little button right here will turn that light on up there. Now, looking at the back window, we're looking out the back window. Wow, pretty, huh? And if you want to get out the back door, there's a handle here, and then they put in this door handle so you can swing that door open. And then there's this latch, and that lets the tailgate down. Okay, doggies, what do you think, doggies? You stay right in there, okay? Stay right in there. There you go. Did you like it? Okay. Thank you for coming along with us on our journey today. I just had to stop by the tire place on the way to the lake and have a nail taken out of one of the tires. But other than that, tires are in good shape, and the Honda Element's in good shape. And I don't know if its name is Ellie or if its name is Freedom. I'm thinking its name might be Freedom. It is so nice. I'm so blessed, and I hope you're blessed today too. All the wonderful things that you get to do on this gorgeous planet. So I just say to you, adios, and I'll see you next time.